wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From East to West.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! Woo! Kids, we're doing science! We're back in our science room and we're super excited about this one, aren't we?
Yes, I'm so excited.
This one, for this experiment, kids, you'll need some extra time.
Yeah, lots of time and patience, but you can watch it like this. You put on your glasses and you go, ooh, ooh, ooh. But then you'll probably get bored because it takes a while, and then you'll go away and you'll play and you'll have like a lot of fun, and then you'll come back and you'll have forgotten all about it, and then when you come back, you'll go, oh, look at that. There's a thing there. That's amazing. That's what's going to happen.
Am I allowed to say something today,
Oh.
too? So, kids, we're actually going to do something quite exciting. We're going to do magic growing.
Ooh.
But Olivia's right. All of the things she did say is you'll need a lot of patience. You'll be able to look and watch, and you'll probably do some playtime in between.
Yeah.
But at the end, you're going to have something very interesting come out of it, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you want to show what we have?
Ooh, yes, I do. Okay, over here. These are the magic grow pellets. Ooh. So what these are little sponges that are different shapes like dinosaurs, and then they took them, the scientists, they took them and took all the water out of them, and they squeezed them down real little, and they smushed them into these little tiny pills. And then, what do you do, Noah, with the pills?
Well, what we're going to be doing is we're putting them into glasses of water.
Oh, yes, glasses of water. Do you have some glasses?
I hope you do, kids, because that's what you'll need. Glasses and water. Quite simple.
Yeah.
And these magic grow pills or pellets, like Olivia said.
Pellets, yeah.
You can get those at a store.
Yep. And you can get them not too expensive, too.
Exactly. And we chose dinosaurs because I love dinosaurs.
And I love dinosaurs, too. Dinosaurs are so cool. Like Rex, right?
T-Rex.
T-Rex, yes.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. And should we tell them what's going to happen with these pellets?
Yeah, why don't you?
Okay, so when we take the pellets and we put them in the water, then they are going to grow and grow and grow. And then you'll have a big old dinosaur sponge.
Yeah, that's going to be exciting. And we set up a special camera for us to see that over the 5 hours it usually takes in order for this to happen.
Yeah, it'll be really neat. Afterwards, I wonder too, you can probably use the sponge for stuff, huh?
Exactly. So kids, should we start the experiment?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Those are the 3 glasses we're going to use.
And here's a water bottle. It's smart water.
Because, kids, you're smart, and we're trying to teach you to be even smarter. And that's why we need smart water.
Smart water. It's like science in a water bottle.
Exactly.
Hide this way.
So, if you want me to, I can start pouring the water into the glasses.
Yes, will you please help me?
Yes. I got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Noah.
So, finish that up. There we go. So, I'm going to put the water to the side. We won't need that.
Thank you.
And now we need the magic grow pellets.
Okay.
Which you have.
Can I hand you this one, Noah?
Yes, of course.
Okay, there's one.
So kids, right here what I have a blue pellet.
Ooh, and I have a red pellet. And then on the package there is a yellow one. We'll show you in one moment.
So, we'll see if these pellets are going to turn into sponge shapes and if they're going to stay the same color too, right?
Oh yeah, I'm curious. I didn't think about that before.
I'm gonna drop it.
Wait, yeah, you go ahead and drop yours and I'll get there. Okay, and then I'll drop mine. Oh, That's amazing. And here, let's grab the last
Okay,
one.
do you want to give me the yellow one?
Yeah, I'll give you the yellow one. Right there.
Okay, and that one I'm going to put into this glass.
And now let's look real close.
Now, kids, we wait for 5 hours.
Yeah. So I'm going to sit here for 5 hours.
I know, kids, this seems boring, but it's science. Science sometimes takes time and patience.
Science does sometimes take time and patience. I think too, like, when they have to think of really good ideas.
But the end results can be pretty fun, can't they?
Ooh.
I don't see anything happening, do you?
No, I was hoping you did.
Maybe I need to put on my glasses.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Wow. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, I have an idea.
Okay, what's your idea?
Why don't we play and then come back to this later?
Ooh, yes, maybe we can go play scientists.
Why would we do that? We're scientists. We don't have to play scientists.
Oh.
We are scientists.
We could play discovery scientists.
No, I would want to play with, I don't know, one of my toys that I have.
Okay, let's go play with one of your toys that you have.
Or we can do an activity like play with Connect 4 or foosball or air hockey.
Or we could play like exercise queens and do like jumping jacks and play in the sand or snow.
That sounds boring.
Oh,
Let's play air hockey.
ideas. Okay, let's go play air hockey.
Okay.
Okay.
Kids, in 5 hours, we'll be back.
5. So count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours.
A little bit slower. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5. Kids, we'll be back. Okay? And you come back in 5 hours as well, right?
Yes, for science.
Don't forget, put a timer on and make sure that in 5 hours you're back again.
Good idea.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Okay, let's go. Science!
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 Hey kids, we're back again.
Hi, kids!
It's been 5 hours.
Ooh, so many hours.
Or 5 days.
Or 5 days. Ooh, that's a lot of hours.
It's been 5 hours.
Yeah, it's only been 5 hours.
And look at what we have. We have a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Do you want to know an interesting fact about the Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Yes, I do.
He's a carnivorous dinosaur.
What is carnivorous?
That means that he eats meat. Like he'd like.
Oh, is he going to eat meat? Oh, no.
Ah, don't get it, Noah! Don't get it! Ah, save Noah!
I have to drop him.
Yeah,
I
that
don't
was
wanna
not
be-
safe.
I don't want to be eaten.
Yeah.
So does that mean he would eat me?
Honestly, if you were alive when he was alive, he might eat you. But you'd have to run really fast and then hide in a cave and then you'd create fire and you'd make a s'more and you'd sit there and you'd sing a camp song. So, I mean, really, it could go either way.
Okay, so I'm really afraid of that one.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
about this one?
Ooh, that one's a pterodactyl.
It looks like it has wings.
Mm-hmm. A pterodactyl is a dinosaur that flies.
It flies?
Mm-hmm.
Like a bird?
Yeah. Do you want to know an interesting thing?
Yeah.
Birds are actually very close relatives to the dinosaurs.
Really?
Yeah, that's strange, huh?
It is strange.
Mm-hmm. Their DNA is similar.
What is DNA?
Oh, there's all these little things in our body that basically make us up of who we are. And that's DNA.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So this one flies.
Mm-hmm. It flies really high in the sky.
Tyrannosaurus doesn't fly.
No, Tyrannosaurus has little itty-bitty arms, like short, like little tiny arms.
But this one has big flying arms.
Mm-hmm. That one has big flying arms and a beak.
Hold on.
That was neat. It flew.
Wow.
Wow.
And what was the name again?
A pterodactyl.
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 Okay. And then what about this one?
Ooh. That one is a stegosaurus.
A what?
A stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
Yep.
Did I say that right?
Yes, you did.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh, I thought I had to sneeze.
Oh, I was wondering. I thought maybe you were smelling your hand like, what does a stegosaurus smell like?
What does it smell like?
Probably he would smell like grass.
Why grass?
Because a stegosaurus is an herbivore.
An herbivore?
Mm-hmm.
What's an herbivore?
An herbivore is an animal that only eats plants and vegetables.
Plants and vegetables?
Hey!
That's disgusting.
You like plants and vegetables.
I do?
Yeah, you eat broccoli and you eat carrots and you like strawberries. There's a lot of really good plants and vegetables.
Oh yeah, I do love all of that.
See? Told you.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So I'm like a herbivore.
Yeah. Yeah, you're an herbivore.
I am an herbivore.
You only eat plants and vegetables and things that come from the ground. I'm an omnivore.
What's an omnivore?
An omnivore is an animal that eats plants and meat.
Huh.
Yeah, so like me, I like to eat broccoli and carrots, but sometimes I also have a hot dog.
Interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
Well, kids, I think you learned a lot about dinosaurs.
Yay!
We also had fun doing this whole magic grow thing.
It was
Although
awesome.
it took a lot of time. I'd rather play.
Yeah,
It took a lot of time.
it did. It's nice that we could play while we waited, though.
That is true. Well, that's it, right?
That's it.
That's it, kids.
That's it. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching Dream Again, and we will see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!